In this lesson, we will be reviewing quadratic equation and finding zeros without the quadratic formula. Here you will take the C number, which is 8, and find the factors of the numbers, which is 1 and 8, and 2 and 4, until you find the middle number, which is 6. The factors are going to be 2 and 4, because when they're both positive, they will create 6. And then you will find the factors of x plus 2 and x plus 4. Once you find your factors, you will set it equal to 0 and solve for x. Your x's should be -2 and -4. In this next equation, you will find the factors of -4 and +4. The factors of +4 will equal out to 1 and 4 and 2 and 2. And in order to get a positive for the B, a positive for the C, and a negative for the B, both of them have to be negatives. So therefore you will have x minus 2 and x minus 2. You will then set these equal to 0 and solve. Your x should equal 2. There's another way to solve this. Since you have two x minus 2's multiplied by each other, it can also be written as x minus 2 squared. And you can set that equal to 0 and also solve to find the answer of 2. In this next equation, we need to find the factors of -28 that will equal out to +3. The factors of 28 are 1, 28, 2, 14, and then 3 does not have a factor, it is not divisible by 3. And then finally you will find 4 and 7. Since the C number is negative and the B number is positive, one of the factors has to be negative. So therefore we find that if you take 7 minus 4, you will equal 3. You will find the factors of x plus 7 and x minus 4. You will set that to equal 0 and solve. You'll find that your x's are -7 and +4. In this next equation, you will find that there is a number in front of the a plus the c number. So therefore, you will take the a number times the c number, and you'll find that it is -108. And we need that to factor out to be where it's equal to -3. So the factors of 108 are 1 and 108, 2 and 54, and then you can skip until you find the correct one, which is 9 and 12. You will find that -12 plus 9 equals -3, which satisfies -3x and the -6. So then you rewrite the equation to where you have 18x squared minus 12x plus 9x minus 6. Then you will group them together and then take out until you can get both parentheses to look the same. So you take out 6x in the first one, where it leaves you with a 3x minus 2. And in the second grouping, you will take out a 3, to where it also leaves you with a 3x minus 2. Then you take the number in front of the first group and the number in front of the second group and put them together in the parentheses and multiply it by the parentheses that are the same, set that equal to 0, and solve for x. You will find that your x's are -1/2 and 2/3. In this equation, you will also have another a number in front of a c number, so therefore you multiply them together to find 6. You will then find the factors of 6 to add up to 7, which are 1 and 6. So then you rewrite the equation where it's 2x squared plus 6x plus x plus 3 equals 0. And then again, you will group them together and then take it out until you get the equation, the parentheses to be the same. In the first one, you will take out x to find 2x plus 1. And then in the second grouping, you will take out a 3 to find, again, 2x plus 1. Then you will take together the first and the second front numbers and put them together as x plus 3 multiplied by 2x plus 1 and set that equal to 0. You will then solve for x. Your x is going to equal -3 and -1/2.